Okay, for us, as we look at it, Thursday and Friday will be a 9 first warning weather alert day. Why? Well, we're going to see just about every form of precipitation hitting, and as a result, I think there's going to be some real impact to your life. Here's the setup right now. The storm is out there. You can see all that moisture coming in out of the south, and at the same time, all of that Arctic blast starting to meet up, and you'll see the changeover to some snow as that wave of cold air gets down there. And it's just going to shift over the top of us, and that's how things like this are going to get started. We've got rain set for tomorrow. Watch a temperature trend because you'll notice by late tomorrow night the low will be 28, and so as a result that rain will start falling as frozen precipitation, sleet and freezing rain. It looks like at first it could very well be just simply freezing rain, and we'll see more sleet first thing in the morning. Either way, as we head through our Thursday, we're going to get more icing setting up. So certainly by the afternoon, and maybe sooner, we could be talking about some treacherous or perhaps dangerous roads. Then we're going to see the cold air all across the atmosphere, and you'll see how much it dips going down into Thursday night, and that's where we're going to continue to see some snow. Impacts, you bet, here and across really the region, and specifically it looks like we've got at least a minor to moderate outbreak of some icing according to our weather model. So this is why we have got the weather alert days out. In fact, the icing that happens could very well be anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch to maybe a little bit more. And as a result, that's the kind that could maybe bring down some power lines or trees. Hopefully that won't be the case. But this is the scenario where that could happen. And when it comes to the snow, you'll notice that right now we're seeing mostly the heftier amounts up to the northwest. This does not look at the moment to be a big snow event for us. More icing. But then again, that snow is going to be covering up the ice very nicely. So the story tomorrow, here's that yellow shade indicating on the radar good heavy rain coming down. It's going to hit right at about, well, on the backside of rush hour, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, then move on. Then you'll notice how we turn into some pink shade here, indicating that mix. Here's Thursday morning. Watch it hang around with all the other colors too, but leaning toward more icing. And then not quite as much in the way of snow showing up. And that's an indicator that, yeah, this could really be a real problem for us. The rain begins tomorrow in the morning. It continues through the day. Then we mix it out, as I say, going into Thursday. Now, as we head into that time period, you'll also notice how the temperatures are going to be bitter cold, especially in the morning or night. I'm looking at single digits or teens over the next several days. So add a little insult to injury, Craig, the way things are looking.